हेलो गाइस, इट्स 11:30। बहुत लेट सोया था मैं, 5:30 सोया हूँ सुबह। और अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ बैंड्रा डालमा को पिक करने, फिर वहाँ से हम एक मंदिर जाने वाले हैं। लेट्स सी, आई एम वेरी स्लीपी टू बी ऑनेस्ट। मेरी कोई कंडीशन नहीं है मंदिर जाने की। माई स्टमक इज एक्टिंग अप। डालमा इज वेटिंग फॉर मी ओवर देयर टू हैव ब्रंच। तो लेट्स सी ना, चलते हैं। मेरी कोई कंडीशन नहीं है अभी चलाने की गाड़ी। आई एम वे टू टायर्ड। चलते हैं क्योंकि डॉली वेट कर रही है। लेट्स गो टू डॉली। थोड़ी शॉपिंग कर लेंगे। वो मॉल में है बैंड्रा में, जियो वर्ल्ड ड्राइव में, तो बिल्कुल थोड़ी शॉपिंग कर लेंगे। तो पार्सल रिसीव कर दिया है,
इसीलिए you're looking very energetic and fresh now. Show everybody your face from how you left the house.
दिस इज माई फेस।
Wife magic.
Where are we going, Dalima? Where are we going?
We are going to Geo World Drive.
For what?
I'm taking my husband shopping today.
आज जाऊंगा गुची।
I'm so happy. So हम लोग बस अभी जियो वर्ल्ड ड्राइव से निकले हैं and Dalima has gifted me a pair of Air Force Ones. Thank you. हम actually गए थे to get Nike Crew socks for me because I need them and Dalima being Dalima.
So his season is starting, and at the start of the season, new shoes are mandatory. New sneakers are mandatory. I mean, what are you going to wear to the stadium and do your match day? Sneakers. The first 5 pairs were not enough. We had to get another to wear to the stadium. But anyway, I had my morning session, sports psychology, with one of my clients when Drumel showed up.
Showed up नहीं, मैं पिक करने आया हूँ मेरी बीवी को, और हम एक्चुअली अभी जा रहे हैं। We had to go to the
showed up प्यार से। I mean, he came for me.
और एक
and also we go to बाबुलनाथ मंदिर।
मैं हमेशा I always show up to all your meetings or everything or anything। जब भी मैं पिक ड्रॉप करने नहीं जा सकता, मैं पिक करने जाता हूँ, वरना मैं यूजुअली दोनों करता हूँ। मैं ड्रॉप भी करता हूँ, पिक भी करता हूँ।
And no matter what time it is, whether it's 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., he's always there to pick me up. And I'm not complaining. I've gotten used to it. And now if he doesn't come, I'm going to Kalesh with him that he doesn't come to.
नहीं, initially ना a lot of couples या a lot of people would agree or relate to this, but जब initially शादी के बाद भी initially ना Dalima would hesitate a little कि मैं तुम्हें को बोलूँ क्या आने में, but now touch wood she's gotten to a place जहाँ वो बोलती है कि नहीं तेरे को आना है, and I like it कि मतलब somewhere down the line आप लोग बोलो कि I want this। हमें भी खुशी मिलती है करने को यार। We wouldn't complain।
So in my defense, I don't know why am I defending myself again.
You're not।
But
You're defending in this।
But I wasn't used to it.
फिर भी
And I love that।
all the boyfriends, husbands out there, fiances, आपको पता होगा यार, we get happiness, we get happy जब हमें अपनी वाइफ्स को, अपनी fiances को, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को जब हम लेने जाते हैं, हम खुश होते हैं।
लेने जाओ, पिकअप करने जाओ,
हटने जाना है यार। इट इज यार, देखो बहुत सिंपल बात है। अगर आपकी वाइफ हाउस वाइफ है या फॉर दैट मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट काम कर रही है, जब आप घर आते हो वो आपके लिए खाना बना के रखती है ना। तो स्मॉल थिंग्स यार, ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें विच मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस।
स्मॉल एफर्ट्स आर द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंशिएटर्स।
हाँ यार, और क्या बात है यार, आज के टाइम पे देखो, हम तो बॉम्बे में रहते हैं, तो मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक एंड ऑल, जबकि दैट्स नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज और एनीथिंग, बट यार bare minimum यार, if it's gonna take you an hour also to reach somewhere, जाओ यार, 1 घंटे की बात है।
And we barely slept last night, but this is also a trial for us to get back to our schedules.
Yeah, it brings a smile on your girl's face.
And also like we're trying really hard since the World Cup is coming to an end that we really go back to our normal schedules. Our
Very
schedules,
important।
we've been sleeping anytime, we've been waking up anytime. We're just tired all the time and the bodies aren't really recovering the way it should. So we're really trying to get back. So I think we slept 4 hours last night. 4?
नहीं, आप तो 4 बजे सो गए थे। She slept at 4. She woke up at 9:30, 9:50.
No.
अबे no नहीं।
I woke up at
9 and then you slept again। 9:50 को उठे होगा।
Okay. अच्छा हाँ।
And then I woke up a little late. So initially it was supposed to be कि मैं इसके साथ ही आने वाला था, but I was way too tired. मतलब it wouldn't have been safe for me to drive. So Dalima being very sweet, उसने बोला कि तुम बाद में आ जाओ, तो मैं बाद में आया to pick her up and all.
And I finished my work तब तक.
हम बस अभी वापस आए हैं मंदिर से, हम घर जा रहे हैं. बट it was such a divine feeling. It was so beautiful. I don't know, मैं हर बार जब ये मंदिर आता हूँ, बाबा मंदिर, I get a very positive vibe and I get so much of positive energy. It's just so beautiful to be in that space for 2 minutes. Obviously हमने आपको टेंपल के अंदर का नहीं दिखाया because I mean I don't think it's banned या मना है.
नहीं, photography is prohibited.
It might be, but for me, I am someone जो, and I feel Dalima is also like me, that we believe in being present in that moment instead of, you know, आप भगवान के सामने you come to pray, you know, devote yourself into something, और आप वीडियो ले रहे हो, it makes no sense. But it was such a beautiful feeling that every time we come here, it's just so overwhelming for me.
Like, I don't know why and where the spiritual according to, but the kids don't really realize the power, the peace, the shanti that it really brings you.
हम बस अभी वापस आए हैं. Dalima, how tiring was the ride for you?
I just need sleep. I'm very tired.
Your eyes are shutting on the way.
On the way back, I mean. A good cup of coffee should be good at least to get through the workout. Just so that we can go to sleep early today.
I'm also very tired. I need, but I have to be up. मैं अगर सो जाऊँगा तो फिर मेरे को रात को नींद नहीं आएगी. तो I'll be up. मैं जागूंगा.
I know that's the biggest trouble.
और अब जिम जा रहे हैं ना.
I swear. Time क्या हो गया?
अभी I don't know 3:30, 3:50, 3:40.
3:45. So like a half an hour, 4:15 तक जाना.
की हुई है.
I
क्योंकि
swear to
उसको
God, if we put it in the vlog.
20 minutes सोने नहीं मिला. And this is her way of protesting. Dalima, let's go यार, get ready.
I could have easily slept for 40-45 minutes.
Don't protest, chal, we'll go to the gym and come back.
I can't go on my own.
हाँ? चल ना. चल. Dalima is too tired. तो वो नहीं आ रही है जिम. मैं अभी वर्कआउट करने जा रहा हूँ. वो भी सो रही है. मेरे को भी बोर हो रहा है. मतलब टुडे इज़ वन ऑफ दोज डेज जहाँ द बॉडी इज़ नॉट रेडी टू वर्कआउट. बट कहते हैं ना कि बस करना है. यू हैव टू गेट थ्रू दिस डे. तो अभी बस वर्कआउट करने जा रहा हूँ. तब तक Dalima रेस्ट करती है. I've just gotten back and मैंने भी ज़्यादा पुश नहीं करा जिम में. I did 3 exercises with 3 sets in each exercise and I didn't want to push a lot because when the body is not supporting, आप ज़्यादा पुश करते हो तो injuries हो जाती है. तो I didn't really go really heavy with the workout. But हाँ, it was जैसे मैंने बताया था, it was one of those days कि you know you just need to get through it. So we had a good session. If you look at it that way, we had a very good session. I've just gotten back home and इतना beautiful view हो रखा है. मैं थोड़ा बाहर से दिखाता हूँ. So this is the view from our window. It's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the view right now. मैंने mate brew करा है, so I'm gonna have some mate and मेरे sessions है. So I have to take a few sessions and then we'll head out for dinner. Dalima is still sleeping, तो मैंने उसको disturb नहीं करा. I'm letting her sleep. My wife is finally up after her peaceful beauty sleep. Her beauty sleep. Dalima, how was your sleep?
It was supposed to be a half an hour nap. I woke up. How long did I sleep for?
Almost 2 hours.
Yeah, I woke up after 2 hours.
And now you're not going to sleep at night.
I will. I'm so tired and sleepy. I'll sleep anytime.
Dalima is well prepared for the upcoming semi-final and final shoots.
We're gonna play rugby.
But first you gotta show what you've gotten. Wait, show them the boots that you've gotten. अरे उनको दिखाओ तो boots.
Boots? There were no boots.
Show them the sneakers you got for me. Drum roll.
Personally, it was his choice, not mine. But these are like the basic. I feel like these are the go-to shoes for match days. So, not bad. But now you need to try different colors. Huh? बहुत black and white हो गया.
है ना?
हो गया.
करो ना. क्या करना है? आप मेरे को हराओगे?
रमी में.
आप मेरे को हराओगे अभी?
हाँ, हो जाएगी. इन कैमरा पे हो जाए. चल.
पक्का?
हाँ. और अगर मैं हार गई तो फिर उसको डालेंगे नहीं.
I win. Dalma is going to dance. If Dalma wins, I am going to dance. Done? Done ना?
रख दो उसको जरा भी रिकॉर्ड. ये डांसिंग है?
हाँ.
ये नाचना है?
This is a Canadian style of dance.
कांटोड़ा Canadian.
It's called vibing. It's like
Look who won.